Hi there, this video is about some tips for hinges. Have you ever had problems closing the cabinet doors due to overlapping doors? What we need to do is to rotate the middle screw of both hinges in the anti-clockwise direction in order to further the doors. How about if there is a gap between the doors? In that case, we need to do the same. The only difference is, we need to rotate the screw following clockwise this time. Next, what should we do if there is a gap between the door and the cabinet body? No worries, all we need is to loosen the screw at the back and push the door inwards, then tighten it back. Repeat it for another hinge at the bottom. If the door height is different, loosen both screws above and bottom of the hinges. Push the door upwards and tighten it back for both hinges. Thank you for watching.